Hey, Matt Backman here from Gilson Engineering in the Flow Lab here, and today I have a product from More Industries that we're going to talk about a little bit. This is the TDZ3 temperature transmitter from More Industries. And what's neat about this guy is you can take two sensors into it, two RTDs, two thermocouples, an RTD and a thermocouple if you really wanted to. There's a few different things we can do with the dual input on this temperature transmitter. We can do hot swap backup, so if one sensor fails, the other one automatically takes over and you don't lose reading at all. And it will alarm you that you've lost one of your sensors so that you can replace it when it's timely to do so. You can do differential between the two sensors for, like, say, a heat exchanger. You can average between two sensors for, say, a big bath, a heating bath. Or you can do high-low select. It'll report the highest or lowest between the two sensors at all times. It is a HART transmitter, so you can get both sensor readings from HART. It's HART 7, which is the latest HART. So it can also give alarms through HART as well. We have a display version, which I have here. We have a non-display version as well. And we also have a DIN rail mount version if you want to put it in a cabinet. If you have any questions or want to learn more, give us a call.